Hello guys, today I will make a full video tutorial about the Minolta Hi-Matic AF. It was one of the first compact film cameras with autofocus, and now let's take a closer look. Mine came in this original bag. But we will remove all of that now. This is the bag. This is like a piece to secure the lens elements. So this camera is fully automatic. It uses normal 35mm film. It has a 38mm f2.8 Minolta rocker lens, and the lens is fixed, so you can't change it, but it's sharp and perfect for everyday photos. Of course, the camera has autofocus, a built-in flash, I will show that in a second, and a self-timer. And with this camera, the film transport is manual, so you have to advance the film yourself here. I will show that in a second. There's also, I think, a AFM model that also has a motor built in to it. So let's start with the batteries. This camera needs two AA batteries, 1.5 volts. You can find them anywhere. I think I have a link in the description where you can buy some. Check the description with a lot of affiliate links where you can buy something from Amazon, and I get a little share from that. In that way you can support me. So open the battery compartment at the bottom of the camera. You have the plus and minus symbol here. Nothing too hard. So let's close this. And now the camera is ready to go. The shutter just works with electricity, with the batteries inserted. The next important step is, of course, how to load your film. To insert your film, open up the film chamber like this. Take your roll of film. Maybe you have to lift up the rewind knob a little bit. Not maybe, you have to do it. Then insert it like this. Then take the film tip and insert it into one of the... Oh, I'm so bad at this. Like here, into the sprocket, like that it's catched, and then you can just take a picture, and you see the film should be moving, but it's not perfectly in the sprockets right now here, but you get an idea how it should work. And when you close the film door, like the pressure plate ensures that the film transport is working correctly. So you also have like a small orange window here. If the film is loaded correctly, the orange mark will move when you advance the film. You saw it moving, and you also see like here, if the rewind knob is moving, of course the film is moving inside. Of course, another very important setting is the ISO setting for the built-in light meter to work correctly. You do it at the front of the lens. Here's the ASA ISO dial, and it ranges from 25 to 400, so you can look on your film. For example, like here, this is ISO 200. Yeah, ISO 200. Check your description to buy some film, of course. In order to make the light metering work correctly, choose the correct ISO setting. So this camera is very easy to use. It has a programmed automatic exposure, so it picks the shutter speed for you, and of course the aperture. You look through the viewfinder, and in the middle is like a rectangle where you can focus to an object. The camera has 4 different focus zones, and at the top, I can't show it to you because like filming through here is a bit hard. You have like 4 symbols, like one for landscape, group photo, portrait, and like near portrait or something like that is it. You put the rectangle to the object, in the middle of the rectangle to the object you want to take a picture of. And then you just press the button, the exposure button here. So if you want to move, there's also a focus lock button. So you choose your focus range, press this button. Now the lens, the focus is adjusted, and then you can take a picture with that focus into another direction. The light meter is inside the filter thread at the front, so you can put in a 46mm filter here, and then the light meterings will still be correct with the filtering, so the exposure stays correct. The camera uses different combinations from f.2 at 1/8 of a second up to f17 at 1/430th of a second. And if the light is too low, there's in the upper left corner a little red light that warns you. You see it? Yeah, so that means that you can activate the flash, the built-in flash, and you pop it up manually when the light is glowing. And you hear it loading. And if you take a second, we wait for this flashing light here. It's a bit hard to see. Yeah, but if this light is glowing, the flash is loaded, and then you can take your picture. The flash works well from 1 meter to 5 meters with ISO 100 film. It shows the flash range here at the back of the camera and the different focus areas. So there's of course the self timer too. So you load your film, you pull this under, and then yeah, you get it how it works. Oh, you hear the police, the ambulance. So pretty easy to use. Another thing is the frame counter here, so it shows you how many pictures you have taken. And if your film is full, I will do some pictures here, but at some time there's some resistance, not really a lot of pictures. No, you see I can't really advance the film anymore and I can't take any pictures. Then I press the button here at the bottom, lift this up, and you see the little arrow here, and then you rewind your film back into the canister. And now I see there's no resistance anymore. Now the film is completely rewound into the canister, and now you can let this develop in the lab, or better, develop it yourself. There's also a tripod socket. You can attach a camera strap here, of course. The camera is made out of this shit, plastic, or maybe this is even metal and little red. Really nice little red, and it weighs about 400 grams with the batteries. So it feels solid, but it isn't too heavy. It's perfect for traveling. A friend of mine traveled to South Africa and to Namibia with this camera. He took beautiful pictures. So some things to check before shooting. Make sure the batteries are fresh. Check the lens for dust or dirt. This one is very dirty. Yeah, let's clean this up. So the Minolta Hi-Matic AF is a great beginner camera. It's easy to use, has autofocus, a solid lens and full auto exposure. You still get a very classic film feel with the manual advance and rewind. It's great for street photography, travel and just for everyday fun. If you find this video helpful, feel free to like, comment or share. You can follow me on Instagram for more camera content. Thanks for watching, keep shooting film. And also check my description and support me. Bye.